Swami Atma Shraddhananda is the editor of Vedanta Kesari, the cultural and spiritual monthly of Ramakrishna Order, and also the present guide of VSC. I invite our beloved Swamiji to deliver the welcome speech.
Revered Swami Atmagananji Maharaj, respected Dr. B.K. Krishnaraj Manavarayaji, Professor C.L. Lakshman Raoji, other faculty members, invitees, guests, and my very dear young friends. It gives me a great delight to welcome you all to this important function marking the inauguration of the activities of Vivekananda Study Circle for the year 2011-12. As it has already been said, the VSC is now entering into its 15th year of highly significant and effective service to our student community here. On this happy and historic occasion, I extend a very hearty welcome and greetings to everyone present here. We have already heard about the VSC through the presentation which our friend Ashish made. Some of you have already possibly visited our website, seen or heard the recording of certain events held under the auspice of Study Circle and known about the VSC. This year also marks the beginning of the 3-year-long celebrations of 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, which is truly a national and international event. As you know, this function for which we all gathered here, it indicates the starting of this year's activities. This is also an occasion this is how we look at it, this occasion, to try to remind us of the ideals of VSC. The VSC aims at, which many of you might have read on our annual calendar with a picture of Swamiji on it, nation building through character building. This motto aptly sums up what we aim at and what our activities are all about. We are all citizens of this great nation, this ancient country. But citizenship does not merely mean political citizenship. Just as adulthood of body does not automatically bring adulthood of mind, similarly, only political citizenship and rights is not sufficient to make one a true citizen. We need an enlightened citizenship, or the citizens who are enlightened, mature enough to play their role in the nation building, safeguarding our heritage in its widest positive sense, and contribute to the collective growth and development of the country. A truly enlightened citizen has outgrown his narrow domestic walls and selfish concerns, and has graduated from being merely an individual to a full-grown person. A healthy individual is of course necessary, but an individual is mainly concerned about what we call the sense of I, me, and mine. And he struggles to fulfill his personal interests and works hard to achieve his goals in life. The same individuality, however, has to outgrow itself. Individuals are like billiard balls, always colliding with each other. All favoritism, discrimination, disregard for merit, sectarianism, and so on are all the product of this selfish individualism. A truly grown-up person, on the other hand, is a man of impeccable character, of concern for others, is willing to sacrifice for a larger good, and is honest and noble in all that he does. This journey from being a self-centered individual to a psychologically grown person is a pressing need of the hour, and this is the motto of the VSC as well. which is nation building through character building. As Swami Vivekananda rightly pointed out, that society is a whole of which the individuals are the units. If you take care of the individuals or the units, the whole will take care of itself. This is the secret of success of national and social change as well. Now, this taking care of the individual is what Swami Vivekananda called man-making education. He used to emphasize this word very much, man-making education. Not demon-making education or selfish individual-making education, but man-making education. He aptly once said, education is not the amount of information that is put into your brain and runs right there, undigested all your life. We must have life-building, man-making, character-making, assimilation of ideas. And if you have assimilated 5 ideas and made them your life and character, you have more education than any man who has got by heart a whole library. A Western admirer of Swamiji once asked him what he could do for him. Swamiji replied instantly, love India. This indeed is the ideal of a truly enlightened person, a person who has transcended his individuality and has learned to see a larger, higher, and all-inclusive nature of life. Well, on this happy occasion of our annual inauguration of the VSC for the 15th year, we are very happy to have in our midst Dr. Krishnaraj Vanavarayaji, the President of Bharatiya Vidyavan Coimbatore, who has kindly responded to our invitation to be our chief guest for this function. Revered Swami Atmagananji, a senior monk of the Ramakrishna Mutt, has been gracious enough to agree to our request to preside over this function. And we are delighted to have Dr. Lakshman Rao, Honorable Professor of Department of Applied Mechanics, to speak on this occasion. We extend a warm and cordial welcome to all our esteemed speakers. We are indeed very happy to have so many freshers as well as seniors who have, and as well as the guests in the audience whose presence is the true strength of our activities. On behalf of Vivekananda Study Circle, once again, I extend a warm, cordial welcome to everyone. Thank you.